In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix Instagram's story music problem, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. First, I'm going to show you how to regularly add Instagram stories with music. What you're going to do is go to this option and just capture a photo, and go up top to the stickers. And there should be an option to the left that says music, and if not, you can search it up here. You can just search up music, and you'll be given the option to add some music, search music, or browse. Now, it's that easy to add Instagram music, but if you do not have that option, what you're going to need to do is actually clear your Instagram and make sure to update it on your App Store or Google Play Store. And the last resort, if that does not work, is to actually go onto the three lines and click on Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down and click on Help. Now, you're going to report a problem, and then you are going to just explain the problem in brief detail, saying my Instagram story music is not available. Now, Instagram should get back to you within 3 to 5 business days, but that's really all there is to it to fix this problem. Now, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.